Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which play of Aeschylus features the earliest known courtroom scene in Western drama? A. The Suppliants, B. Seven Against Thebes, C. The Eumenides, D. Prometheus Bound. The right answer is option C. The Eumenides. Next question. In Sophocles, Ajax, which character persuades Agamemnon to allow Ajax a proper burial? A. Odysseus, B. Menelaus, C. Tecmessa, D. Teucer. The right answer is option A. Odysseus. Next question. Which Euripidean play is considered the earliest critique of war propaganda? A. The Trojan Women, B. Hecuba, C. Heraclidae, D. Suppliant Women. The right answer is option A. The Trojan Women. Next question. Which Aristophanic comedy attacks Socrates and the new education? A. The Clouds, B. The Wasps, C. The Frogs, D. The Birds. The right answer is option A. The Clouds. Next question. Nothing vast enters the life of mortals without a curse, belongs to which Aeschylean play? A. Agamemnon, B. Prometheus Bound, C. The Persians, D. Choephori. The right answer is option A. Agamemnon. Next question. Which Sophoclean drama presents the concept of double knowledge, knowing and not knowing simultaneously? A. Oedipus Rex, B. Philoctetes, C. Ajax, D. Electra. The right answer is option A. Oedipus Rex. Next question. Euripides, Hippolytus won first prize at the Dionysia in which year? A. 438 BCE, B. 428 BCE, C. 431 BCE, D. 445 BCE. The right answer is option B. 428 BCE. Next question. The motif of the watchman at the beginning of Agamemnon symbolizes what? A. Surveillance and fear, B. Dawn of justice, C. Cassandra's prophecy, D. Orestes' return. The right answer is option B. Dawn of justice. Next question. In Euripides, Medea, which city ultimately grants Medea asylum? A. Argos, B. Athens, C. Thebes, D. Corinth. The right answer is option B. Athens. Next question. Which Aristophanes play was written as an attack on Cleon's political power? A. Knights, B. Peace, C. Acharnians, D. Lysistrata. The right answer is option A. Knights. Next question. Who is the chorus in the Persians by Aeschylus? A. Persian nobles, B. Trojan widows, C. Greek soldiers, D. Argive women. The right answer is option A. Persian nobles. Next question. In Euripides, the Bacchae, Pentheus, death symbolizes what? A. Violation of Dionysian order, B. Collapse of rationality, C. Revenge of Thebes, D. Rebirth of the city. The right answer is option B. Collapse of rationality. Next question. Aristophanes, Lysistrata was written during which war? A. First Peloponnesian War, B. Persian War, C. Peloponnesian War, D. Theban War. The right answer is option C. Peloponnesian War. Next question. In Seven Against Thebes, Eteocles curses which relative? A. Polynices, B. Antigone, C. Creon, D. Oedipus. The right answer is option A. Polynices. Next question. Which Sophocles play is considered his most philosophical? A. Oedipus at Cernus, B. Philoctetes, C. Electra, D. Ajax. The right answer is option A. Oedipus at Cernus. Next question. We must not fight with the gods is a key theme in which play? A. Prometheus Bound, B. Oedipus Rex, C. The Bacchae, D. Hippolytus. The right answer is option C. The Bacchae. Next question. In The Birds, what is the name of the utopian city in the sky? A. Nephelokukijia, B. Hyperionpolis, C. Etheron, D. Cloudhaven. The right answer is option A. Nephelokukijia. Next question. Euripides, Ion explores which central theme? A. Legitimacy and identity, B. Death and rebirth, C. The fall of heroes, D. Exile and nostos. The right answer is option A. Legitimacy and identity. Next question. Who delivers the final speech in Women of Triches? A. Hylas, B. Deianira, C. Lichas, D. Heracles. The right answer is option A. Hylas. Next question. Which of the following Euripidean plays is a satyr play? A. Cyclops, B. Helen, C. Ion, D. Iphigenia in Taurus. The right answer is option A. Cyclops. Next question. In Orestia, what does Orestes use to prove his identity to Electra? A. A lock of hair, B. A ring, C. A scar, D. A sword. The right answer is option A. A lock of hair. Next question. In Sophocles, Philoctetes, which character ultimately persuades Neoptolemus to return the bow to Philoctetes? A. Odysseus, B. Heracles, C. Athena, D. Menelaus. The right answer is option B. Heracles. Question for you. In Aeschylus, 7 against Thebes, which brother's shield symbol is described as plain, symbolizing piety and modesty? A. Tydeus, B. Polynices, C. Eteocles, D. Amphiaraus. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.